And during the Yugoslavia period, there was an effort to eradicate the Islamic identity, which you've touched on. You've mentioned that many of the madrasas were closed and they were given away and used for different things. The only one that stayed open was the Ghazi Huzrev Bey Madrasa. But it's, I think, maybe only after the war and after things have started to settle down that people have, for the first time in a very long time, being able to reconnect with their Islamic faith and their heritage. And I remember Adnan, who is another one of our guides, he said something to me a few years ago now, but it's always stuck with me, which is he said, now it feels like the time of Ibrahim, where the children are calling their parents back to Islam and reminding them about Islam, which is really interesting. Can you just tell me a bit about the general attitude of Islam and Muslims in Bosnia today?